Well, thank you very much. Yes, good lady. My name is Angie Ramirez. I am 22 years old and I currently live in Bogota, Colombia. I am from La Dorada Caldas. My marital status I'm single. I have experience as a cashier for 3 years. My strengths are being positive and persistent. As a weakness, I have that I am very good people. My great achievement in my life is to have left my thoughts and start them to become independent. And 5 years, I see myself working with my current and doing the paperwork for my house. Because I want to continue growing professionally. Mm. Because it's an opportunity to grow and work very much, like to work in such a persisting company. My salary aspiration is 2 millions. Bye bye.